requires you to make a background for your project. And you can make more than one by making an extra slide, but you want to actually have things that you add to the slide. So don't just pick a pre-made background, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So here we go. Here's a blank slide. The first thing I am going to do is go up to blank background and pick the main image that I want. So let's say I'm doing a zoologist, like I know several people are doing. I'm going to go to Google Images, and maybe I'll have them working at a zoo or something like that. So I'm going to go to zoo. But maybe I don't have something super plain like I wanted a zoo. So maybe I'm just going to put a park to give me a better background, and then I can build the zoo with cages and stuff. So let's see. I might just want... Oh, that's not what I wanted. Not finding anything I super love. So maybe I just, I kind of like this. This is kind of cute, like just grassy field. And I could have typed in field. So I might use this. This is a walking path. It's already got the clouds. But I might put some animal enclosures in here, and I can add some flowers or something to this. So like insert images. And I might have to use the remove background site. So remove background. You want to definitely add things. And you want to add things that are the non-moving things in your scene. So these things aren't things that you're going to move. So you don't want your character, your person to be in the background. These are just things that I'm going to have in the background. So animal. Right? So some of these, I like, and you could have even used, I guess, one of these scenes too that looks like this, and then added a few other things to it. I might put, has, of course, a person in it. I might use this one. Okay. And I'm going to drag it to my remove background. Okay. Okay. Oop. Did that not work? Copy. Let's see if I can copy it this way. Copy image address. There we go. And removing the background. There we go. I can also edit if it has more than the stuff I want in it. Since it didn't erase that really well, I can erase it with the erase tool here. Maybe, there we go. And maybe erase some of this. Okay, and download it. And again, you can play around to find what you want. And then I'm going to come over to my slides, image, upload, and I'm going to put that pen in there that I have for my animal. Okay, and then maybe I want to find an animal. I'm going to put let's put some sort of monkey. And this might take playing around to find the images that you want to use and what works for your slide. I like this guy, so I'm going to copy again, copy image address, paste him over here. and take this, download him. Okay, coming back to my slide, inserting him. Opening and putting him right in his pen, just like that. And I might do that several more and different things. And then I'm going to go up here to File, and I'm going to click on Download once I finish my background and choose Download as a JPEG. Okay. And then I'm going to come over to my Scratch account where this little image is right here that says background. Use the Upload Backdrop. And I'm going to upload that finished Scratch background. And I'll notice that it comes in here. Okay, and I'm going to come up to the top of my screen right here where it says costume, and I'm going to name it backdrop 1. And then that's the end of what you have to do. And that is how to add your backdrop. And you can do as many of those as you want, but you have to have at least one where you've added stuff and created your background. And that should take you, if I look at my slideshow and my steps, it says File, Download. We did that. Don't put our character in. We did that. And it shows me here again how to add it to my page. And then the final thing we're going to do is we're going to do this step, which means use an event block. So I'm going to come here to my code, up to the top, code, and you're going to use the event yellow that says when the arrow is clicked. And so you can see that I'm on my stage. This is highlighted, okay, the backdrop. And I am going to put when clicked and the looks, and I'm going to have switch to backdrop 1. So whenever this flag is pushed, backdrop 1 is what is coded to appear. Okay, so that's what I did. I created that backdrop. I downloaded it using File, Download as a JPEG once I finished it. So you might have added some more stuff, some more cages, maybe the sun in the sky, anything you want to add to this backdrop before you download it, come to Scratch, go over to the backdrop, upload. When you're in that backdrop tab, make sure you name it backdrop 1, okay, because we're going to have a second one. And then come back to your code and code the flag that says switch to backdrop 1 when the flag is clicked. And that is the next step in our project.